As part of this topic, I'll cover how to manage single node Hadoop that is set up using Ubuntu 18.04 on GCP. We need to shut down the server when it is not in use. If you do not shut down, you will end up paying more money to GCP or you will run out of credits faster. You will be unnecessarily wasting your money or credits. If you shut down server using GCP Web Console without shutting down HDFS, then the HDFS might get corrupted. Here are the steps you are supposed to follow to ensure that HDFS is not corrupted when you shut down the Ubuntu 18.04 server. You need to stick to this order. First you have to stop yarn, then you have to stop HDFS, then you can shut down the server using GCP Web Console. I am going into the terminal here. I am connected to the Ubuntu 18.04 machine where HDFS and yarn are set up. You can validate by running JPS. You can see we have components related to HDFS, which are nothing but name node, data node, and secondary name node, and also components related to yarn, which are nothing but resource manager and node manager. Now we can actually say stop-yarn.sh. It will take care of stopping node manager and resource manager. You can validate by saying JPS. Now you see only HDFS related components. You can stop HDFS by saying stop-dfs.sh. It will take care of stopping name node, secondary name node, as well as data nodes. You can actually run JPS after this command is done and confirm that all the components related to both HDFS and yarn are shut down. Now you should be able to go to GCP Web Console, select the server. You should be able to click on stop to shut down. Don't click on this, it will delete the server itself. Once it is shut down, now we will not be able to access the server anymore. Whenever we start the server, the first thing what we are supposed to do is we have to start both DFS as well as yarn related components so that we can use Hadoop on this single node. Let's wait until this is stopped. Now it is stopped. Now I can click on this to start. Let's wait until it is started. Once it is started, I should be able to connect to the server using the sh command. Then I should be able to start both HDFS and yarn. When it comes to stopping, first we have to stop yarn, then we have to stop HDFS. When it comes to starting, first we have to start HDFS, then we have to start yarn, because yarn is dependent on name node, and hence first we need to take care of starting HDFS, then we have to start yarn. Let's wait until the server is up. Server is up already. Now I should be able to run this command to connect. It is still coming up, I guess. Now it is up. I am able to connect to the server. Now I can say JPS. As of now, none of the HDFS related components or yarn related components are running. I should be able to start HDFS related components by using start-dfs.sh like this. Once the components are started, we should be able to use JPS and validate whether the components are started properly or not. Let's wait until this command is run. Then we'll actually run JPS. Once we confirm all the components related to HDFS are started, then we'll start components related to yarn. We are almost there with respect to HDFS related components. Now we should be able to run JPS. We can see name node, secondary name node, and data node are started successfully. Now we can also validate by running the simple HDFS command to ensure that HDFS is up and running without any gaps. You can see there is a folder itversity here. If you want, you can even copy the files and confirm that HDFS is in a usable state. Now we should be able to start yarn by saying start-yarn.sh like this. It will actually take care of starting resource manager and node manager for us. Once it is run, we should be able to validate by running JPS. You can see the components related to yarn as well in the list. This is how you should be able to manage the single node Hadoop cluster on the machine which you have provisioned from cloud. I have demonstrated using GCP. Irrespective of the cloud platform, you can follow these steps so that your costs are under control. Make sure you shut down the services and then shut down the server. Once you start the server, make sure you log in and start the services so that you can use Hadoop on this single node cluster.